What is Dogecoin? Maybe you've been hearing about it lately. Maybe you've come across it on Reddit or heard Elon Musk talking about it. Well, today, we'll dive deep into Doge. Welcome back to Crypto Fox. If you're new, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and punch that notification bell before moving on. Today, we'll be looking at the basics of Dogecoin, its applications, and perpetual relevance. We'll also be sharing some uncommon information about the coin, as well as addressing some of its credible price predictions. The value of Dogecoin soared to new heights over the weekend, fueled by social media posts from Tesla founder Elon Musk and rapper Snoop Dogg. The digital currency is currently priced around 5.7 cents per coin, down slightly from highs of 8.7 cents, making it the 14th largest cryptocurrency in the world by market capitalization. Dogecoin, often regarded as being a joke crypto, has made gains of more than 1,250% since the turn of the year, relatively outperforming both Bitcoin and Ether. Dogecoin is a decentralized, peer-to-peer digital currency that enables you to easily send money online. It was created jointly by IBM developer Billy Markus and Adobe data scientist Jackson Palmer, who launched the cryptocurrency in 2013 as a fun and friendly alternative to Bitcoin. Dogecoin has so far been a lesser-known cryptocurrency when compared to Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, or any other crypto to be exact. Instead of choosing a fancy currency symbol, Markus and Palmer decided to go with a Japanese dog breed called the Shiba Inu as the branding for Dogecoin. The decision to use this character was brought on by the developer's desire to keep the project lighthearted. Like Bitcoin and Litecoin, the main purpose of this coin is to allow for peer-to-peer transactions to occur in a censorship-resistant manner. That's the long and short story of the odd branding. However, as funny as it was, it provided some distinction over other cryptocurrencies. As of late, Dogecoin has seen considerable coverage in the media due to huge price hikes. As you're about to learn, this isn't the first time this blockchain network has burst into the limelight. Dogecoin's framework is based on the Lucky Coin protocol, itself built on Litecoin, and can be mined like many other digital currencies. While the supply of most popular cryptocurrencies is limited, the supply of Dogecoin is effectively limitless. To date, Dogecoin has largely been used in a tipping system of small amounts of money to content creators on social media platforms. Similar to other cryptocurrencies, including Litecoin and Lucky Coin, Dogecoin uses password-based script technology. This makes it different from Bitcoin that uses SHA-256 encryption. Since November, the value of cryptocurrencies across the board have been on an upward trend, with Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs. As the price of Bitcoin rises, it saw the value of other cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, spike as well, as investors who fear they've missed the boat seek alternative avenues to cash in. Looking at the most recent surge of Dogecoin, it followed shortly after the GameStop squeeze, which is noted to have played a part in the rise in the price of Dogecoin by driving interest in trading and investment among amateur investors. However, the soaring value of Dogecoin can also be attributed in large part to the social media activity of a handful of high-profile figures. On February 4th, the price of Dogecoin rose by 50% after Elon Musk posted a tweet asserting that Dogecoin is the people's crypto. Gene Simmons also called himself the god of Dogecoin and encouraged people to hodl or hold on to the cryptocurrency, while American rapper Snoop Dogg also made a comical post of his face with a cover art of the crypto. The action of these three led to a series of social media frenzies that sent the price of Dogecoin shooting up again. The goal of it all seemed to be to push the joke cryptocurrency to a valuation of $1 per coin, which would represent a further 1,230% gain on its current position. So how do you buy Dogecoin? As it's relatively new and not so popular until recently, it's available only on a small portion of exchanges. Hence, the chances to buy the crypto are sometimes few and far between. Binance and Kraken are the two largest exchanges to offer Dogecoin, but the currency can be purchased via a handful of smaller providers too. You can also purchase the coin through any trustworthy crypto wallet or platform. These platforms are easily accessible via dedicated Dogecoin apps with either a smartphone or a desktop. As mentioned before, both Binance and Kraken support this coin, They are fiat-enabled as well. You can purchase cryptocurrencies directly using a debit or credit card. However, you will need to first fund your account and then convert your fiat to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the other currencies with a fiat pairing. So what problems does Dogecoin solve? Like all first-generation cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin was simple in functionality. At that time, there weren't any smart contracts, staking, or all of these other features that are now commonplace in the market. The primary focus was on creating a secure network. To that extent, Dogecoin succeeded greatly, but not without its share of trouble. The second feature about Dogecoin, and perhaps what really makes this coin unique, is the spirit in which the investors of the coin have taken it. Dogecoin wasn't primarily designed with one big picture vision, such as to free the masses from oppression like Bitcoin, nor was it built to provide a viable alternative to Bitcoin in the market, like Litecoin. Interestingly, this coin was built to spread goodwill and fun throughout the crypto community. So what are some of the benefits of Dogecoin? There are a lot of benefits that Dogecoin brings to the market. For one, you can use this coin just like Bitcoin to quickly and securely send value to anyone internationally. Over the last few years, the coin's network has increased, and now more vendors than ever accept this unique token. Also, it cannot be censored. Dogecoin shares many technical characteristics with the world's first crypto, Bitcoin. Consequently, the network is secure and provides real-time consensus. Like Bitcoin, hackers will need to control 51% of the network's hashing power to alter the state of the blockchain. Considering the current Dogecoin hash rate is 203.97 terahashes, this is very unlikely. What about how it actually works? It's been reported that its coding setup is a direct copy of Bitcoin's. It wouldn't be too hard to argue that much of Dogecoin's coding is a direct copy of Bitcoin. One of the coin's founders, Billy Markus, stated that it only took 3 hours to create Dogecoin. He described how he literally used the Control-F function to scroll through Bitcoin's code and replace all instances of Bitcoin with Dogecoin. There were also a couple of other adjustments to further the concept, like changing the term mining to digging. It runs on 1-minute block time. A blockchain network's block time is a reference to how often a new block of transactions is added to the chain of transactions. Dogecoin uses a proof-of-work consensus algorithm to keep the network secure. The network relies on a script technology in its proof-of-work mechanism. This decision was made to prevent the use of high-powered Bitcoin mining rigs. You can only mine Dogecoin using dedicated FPGA and ASIC devices. Surprisingly, Dogecoin also has no hard cap. According to BitDegree, the project initially began with 100 billion coins in circulation. Due to the 1-minute block times, by 2015, all of these coins had been mined. The developers decided to issue another 5 billion at the time. Dogecoin now has 5 billion coins scheduled for issuance every year. This chart shows the updated price trend of Dogecoin. The support level at 5 cents now lies within the buy area, and if it's going to experience a dip, it's not expected to go below this mark. And if it does, it will present an opportunity to buy into the dip before its next movement. The resistance is now set at 5.8 cents, and once it breaks through the roof of this resistance, it's set to follow the red arrow as it shoots up towards a new all-time high at 8 cents. This chart shows a candle combined with a sell signal on the MFI, seeming to show the beginning of a downtrend on the daily. It's now showing a crossover of the lead line, while still in oversold territory. The MFI dipping below the 30 is further indication that the end of the downtrend could be coming soon. However, the RSI is still above 50, and the Bollinger Bands, although narrowing, are pretty wide. Another bearish signal is that the 9-day SMA is also below the BB trend line. There's so much confusion with too many in this market hanging on the every tweet of one particular fickle individual. The situation could turn into a massive panic or FOMO at any moment. One thing is for sure, crypto and especially Doge is sure to surprise just about all of us. That being said, targets are still 11 cents in the short term and $1 long term. Keep in mind, few things ever go straight up or straight down. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. What do you expect to see from Dogecoin in the next few weeks? Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. And while you're here, check out one of our other videos. Good luck and happy investing.